My first export of video. Lots of issue even if I learn to get the navigation and smooth keyframe. No lightings, and some metallic chroma effect is off. One thing first, I have to DIY add the camera into the collection scene. Which no tips from other tutorial. Since I did saw the light when I add the camera, so it is easy. First thing is to set the area. But to my surprise the light is dim, and on the net it say 5000 value, then it work. Following 5000 did work, but I have to adjust diffuse 10 to look better, but another issue appear. I tried expanding the area, but it came to my sense putting another light area looks great. Back to my issue, no reflection on metal. What I learn is there are two engine. Old cyclic engine work with metallic chrome effect. Where new engine I need to check screen space reflection to make my kettle look real. I think I can render animation now.